Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, October 27th. It is so good to see all of you today. We're going to talk some more about cleanliness, but please first stand at attention so we can do the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Okay, show me a good slant. Make sure that it's nice and quiet so everyone can hear. We're talking about cleanliness. And yesterday I heard so many good examples of people telling me different places you can keep clean. You said I can keep my bedroom clean. I can keep my school clean. I can keep my classroom clean. I can keep my hands clean, and so many other places. I love it. Today we're going to talk about one special place that sometimes gets really, really dirty. We're going to talk about the bathroom. How do we keep the bathroom clean? How do we make sure the bathroom is nice and tidy? There's nothing like walking into the bathroom right after someone has cleaned it. Mr. Pete works so hard to keep the bathrooms clean. I've been in right after he cleans, and there's just nothing like that. It's beautiful. Everything's nice and shiny. No trash on the floor. I want to know today, what can you do to help keep the bathroom clean? What things can you clean yourself? Don't clean the toilet. That's Mr. Pete's job. But what can you clean in the bathroom? And how can you help keep the bathroom clean? I'll put my question up on your screen. Teachers, remember, you can just pause and leave this question up on the screen for a few minutes if you'd like while you're talking. And when you see me around school later, let me know, how can you keep the bathroom clean?